Good day. So I am Syed and this is video for my group project Comp8715, and today I am going to talk about the challenges I'm facing and what sort of challenges we are facing and how we are trying to overcome that challenges while doing this project. So a bit of introduction of my project is this project will develop a web-based tool to help us to manage the TechLauncher program. TechLauncher is the tool will help us to manage a wide range of activities, including registration of the students and mentors, and then the project proposals and the expression of interest from the students and from the customers, for basically from the students. And so actually they suggest us to use the IntelliDocs tool to develop that website, and we are still working on that one, and the other tool we are trying to check, and like either they will helpful according to this project or not, and how we can implement our project in that specific tool. So some of the technical challenges we are facing is about IntelliDocs is the IntelliDocs is dependent on Windows, and it's also only support with the Internet Explorer, like the web browser, the Internet Explorer, and he is not compatible with the Firefox and Google Chrome and the other browsers. And the other thing, because this one, the IntelliDocs is only compatible with the Windows, and this project is actually ANU's project, and they have to implement this project in at ANU website, and so we have to be very careful while using or while selecting the tool we are using for this project, because most of the more than most of the computers are Apple and Linux systems they are using at ANU, and for the future purpose, for the maintenance of this this tool we are going to develop, they will get some difficulties, and with the compatibility and the maintenance of the tool. So that's the major issue, and we are also looking for the other tool, which is called Joget, and which is like open source, and it's platform independent, and we can use it on any machine and everywhere. We actually don't need to be specified with with any of the operating system or with any of the browser or anything. So actually this will definitely help us to achieve the goal for the project. And initially this time it's a bit hard for us to decide that which tool actually will help us, and we are going to choose that tool or that tool. So if I can say that, like, IntelliDocs is actually giving us more scope as well, but the thing is that it's similar like that if you are trying to drive a train on a road, not on the railway track, because like the train is only compatible with the railway track, and it has to be it has to drive on the railway track, not on the roads. So, and other than that, if we will try to use or to make our develop our project on the other platform, it may help us, and it will give us the more like it will help us to, and it will give us the more scope to resolve that problem. And the other thing that I'm going to talk about is like we are progressing on that. We have set up our version control system, so we can maintain the record of the development, and also if we need any sort of changes and anything, so that version control system will help us to keep the record of the development. And the other thing that we are using is Google Drive, and we are using that Google Drive for as a central communication and the file storage platform. So we can share our documents and the some sort of requirements, documents, and anything with each other on the Google Drive, and everybody can access, and everybody will be in touch with Google Drive. And the other thing that for our discussion forums, we are also using the social media. We form a group on that, so if anybody is facing any problem with anything, so he can just mention that problem on the group, and anybody who have knowledge about the issue, he will like just give him a solution, and he will help him. So actually, I think we are on the right path, and we have knowledge that what the current problem is, and what we need is, and we are actually developing setting up our environment and workspace for the development and for the development. And the other thing that we are using is what we are using. And the other thing we are using, actually, I can also say that for the group discussions and the task management sort of thing, we did mention in our previous meeting that we don't need any sort of surprises during this project. Like if I am supposed to do some task, and I am going to I can do that task, and after that I can just move on, and I can try the other one, and on the next meeting I can just give them a surprise. Oh, I have done this one, and might be it doesn't work, and I may be on the wrong path, and it may waste my time and the effort as well. So everything anybody will be going to do has to discuss that thing on the discussion form, and if he is not sure, he has to confirm with the team leader and with the team, so we can at the end we can achieve that thing what we are going to achieve. And so some of the questions that I think I should mention, or I should answer that one, that as I always already mentioned, that what I think that will has worked is Joget, the tool, and why it is, because it's open source. It is compatible with any operating system, and it has a broad vision and scope. We can do many things. Even we can connect our databases in that. But in IntelliDocs, if we're gonna connect the database, we have to use the web services, SOAP, or that sort of stuff. And so that's the major thing. And the other thing, that our project is progressing, because initially when we started that one, we actually didn't know that what actually we are going to do, and how we will do. But after these couple of meetings with the client and with the group, I am pretty clear about that what we are going to do, and we are progressing. We are setting up our version control systems and the platforms on which we are going to work. And the other thing that I'm with the specific with this course, it's a good experience for me, that I'm getting lot of information and lot of experience with this project. Like, we have weekly tutorials with the other groups, and we can discuss a lot of issues, and we can resolve that issues during that one, that this tool doesn't work for me, and how it will work, and this that I'm facing these challenges, and how you guys can help me with that, or the other things that I am getting from the other groups, that how they are progressing, and which technologies they are using, and how they are streamlining their processes and their modules. So it's interesting, and I'm really passionate to learn about like the project and the group project especially, and how to work in the teams. And that's why I chose that I have chosen that group project, so that I can also contribute in ICT Australia, and I will be the part of this, and especially like it's a good experience actually, when we are treated like a professional person, and actually we are a student, but it's a responsibility on us, and the projects we are going to do is the real projects, and these projects are going to implement somewhere in the ICT industry in Australia. So actually it's change it makes changes in our personality, and in our attitudes as well, that it's a big responsibility as well. And we are not behaving like a student. We are actually trying to be a professional to achieve that task, and it's actually a good motivation for the students for their future, and it's a good experience before going to the professional field, that we will get a lot of information, a lot of experience with that group projects. And and also there these projects will help us with our future projects, and the mistakes we have done or we will do in these initial projects, we will overcome in our future project definitely, and we will improve our quality of work as well, and the workflow, and and we will overcome that mistakes we have done. And so it's just like like anything, we can do, like every project in the world, even we can choose anything from the agriculture department, we can say about, from the uh, point of view of from the doctors, and from the medicine sort of things, also uh, from the from the real-time systems. We learn from our previous experiences, the mistakes we have done in our past, we overcome in the future, and we improve the quality of work and quality of the products as well in the real world. We can say everything is here in front of us. We have a lot of examples that the machineries or the tools they are using for the doctors are using is improving day by day, and the medicines they discovered before is now better than the previous one, and they are improving the quality of life as well. So in every part of the world, every part of the world, we can see in every industry they experience with their previous uh, they learn from their previous experiences, and they improve their coming goals and the targets. So actually, same with these projects. When we will be in our future, we will be in our professional field, or then we will definitely overcome these issues and the problems, and we will better we will be behaving better than this time, and we will definitely improve the quality of work and the like quality of work, and actually the requirements. But we will definitely overcome all these mistakes we have done, or we are facing the problems now. So I think that's a very brief. That's a very brief. That is very brief talk about the progressing and everything for this project. Thank you for watching this video, and hopefully I will upload my next videos for the upcoming experiences and the experiences. Thank you very much.